The beans travel into the automated cleaning station. A large rotating drum scrubs them, removing debris.
Here at the cracking and winnowing station, automated sifters separate the nibs from the husks. Conveyor belts keep the flow moving smoothly with industrial efficiency.
Once solidified, the chocolate moves to the unmolding station. Automated machines gently release.
We need another pallet jack over here. Copy that. Sending one now. Watch the clearance on that pallet. It's good. Bring it forward. Secure the stack on the left.
Bạn phải tiệc xin thăm định sáng thẳng tháng sẵn phất pruồn. Phan Anh Tân chàng thi tìm các chan thăm trong thiểu, đừng khả ní thân ảnh thiên sẵn.
Here is your premium chocolate, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you.
It melts so smoothly. This is exactly how high-quality chocolate should taste.
Adjust the media spend for Q3.
Allocate more budget towards digital channels immediately.
Updating the figures now. The revised deck will be ready shortly.
The splash needs more motion here. Can we iterate on that?
Adjusting the parameters now.
I'll ensure the color grading aligns perfectly with the brand spec.
They agreed to the terms. We're aligning the content calendar now.
Perfect. Shipments for the premium bars are ready to go out this afternoon.
Make sure the 86% sign is clearly visible. Got it. I'll place the orange boxes right underneath it. We need more dark chocolate over here.
We're featuring our new caramel pralines today. They are incredibly smooth.
Oh, wow. The flavor is intense. Absolutely delicious.
This is absolutely divine. The salted caramel is incredible.
We're glad you enjoyed that one.
Next, we have our signature truffle.
Masses. The Q3 promotion clearly outperformed expectations, largely driven by the digital campaign integration.
Look at the efficiency metrics here. The synchronization is nearly perfect.
We confirmed the robotic arm cycle times are optimized for the new wrapper specs.
Through continuous conching, the chocolate paste is refined. Automated systems and skilled workers ensure peak efficiency and flavor development.
Efficiency is key. As the chocolate moves along the conveyor, a series of cooling units rapidly brings it to the ideal working temperature.
This batch is clear for Bay 5.
Acknowledged. Diverting the next pallet now.
Here, human expertise integrates seamlessly with robotic precision, redefining inventory management in real time.
Okay, bring the next one in. Watch the alignment on the left side. Clearance looks good, push it forward.
The continuous motion of these trucks symbolizes the efficiency of our supply chain, ensuring the chocolate arrives promptly at retail locations. Ensure these are scanned and accounted for immediately. Yes, prioritizing the dark chocolate shipment for aisle 4.
That will be $5.50. You can just tap right there. Thank you. Have a great day.
The smooth texture of Miduang Flace chocolate promises an unparalleled experience, delivering satisfaction with every bite.
These dashboards confirm the positive reception of the new truffle line. The automated system is tracking a 5-star trend across the board.
According to the data, we need to recalibrate the flow rate on line 3.
I'll input the new parameters now.
Did you check the inventory against the manifest?
Yes, everything accounted for. Ready for dispatch. Push it all the way to the back. Right side clear. Lock it in.
These delivery trucks represent the smooth operation of the supply chain, moving chocolate efficiently towards its destination.
We need these 50 cases moved to the back immediately. All right, I'll use the electric jack. Watch your clearance.
All set. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thanks, you too.
Look at the ratings for the new flavor profile here.
That aligns with the reviews mentioning the enhanced aroma.
Excellent. Let's synthesize this for the product team.
Customers are noting a slight variation in the texture here. Yep.
We trace that back to the cooling temperature in section 3.
Adjusting the flow rate should stabilize it.
The mouthfeel is very creamy. I noticed a slight bitter note in the finish.
Noted. How would you rate the sweetness intensity on a scale of 1 to 10?
Nourishins. The count per ounce on these almonds is consistent, and the recent COA matches the specs on the tracker.
Excellent.
The integration of these new automated systems ensures a seamless transition, drastically improving industrial efficiency.
The new variant is introduced, seamlessly blended and refined by automated systems. Workers monitor the flow,
Speed and precision are critical. The new chocolate variants move swiftly from the delivery trucks directly into the stockroom, minimizing delay.
The sentiment score on the new variant is strong, 92% positive.
Most improvement suggestions are minor packaging.
This data suggests we can increase the flow rate by 10%.
Let's try adjusting the tempering unit dial right here.
Diagnostics complete, system coming online. Confirming alignment on the new module, looks good. Efficiency is up 12%. Okay, go ahead and initiate the sequence from the main control panel.
Sequence initiated. Should I monitor the pressure levels now?
Yes, keep an eye on the output variance. Looks good.
Pallet secured in container 1. Copy that.
Moving to seal. Ensure the straps are tight on your end.
We just received a fresh shipment of the dark chocolate.
Perfect. I'll take 3 boxes, please. It really is the best quality.
We're seeing a recurring theme here regarding the packaging seal.
Yes, several markets are reporting issues. We need to address this with the factory.
Initial readings match the target profile for the Southeast Asian blend.
Agreed. Initiating the formula adjustment for the next run now.
For this limited release, the production line is adjusted for small batches. Workers ensure the quality of each special edition chocolate with professional precision.
Our professional workflow ensures every special edition box is displayed to the highest standard, emphasizing quality.
We recommend the salted caramel truffler. It's a customer favorite tonight.
The richness is balanced perfectly. It's superb.
We just need you to confirm your details here, and then these personalized deals unlock instantly for you.
The texture on this sample looks promising.
I agree. The crystallization seems stable. Let's send it for sensory evaluation.
Ensuring the quality here directly impacts the premium pricing for your cooperative.
We appreciate the training on these new sorting techniques.
This journey, marked by efficiency and unwavering standards, culminates in the rich taste of premium chocolate.